In court if it goes unpaid, and not understanding your rights could cost you even more in the long run.
Diane Lee spoke to a man who learned that the hard way and has expert advice in this 7 on Your Side Consumer Watch.
77 million Americans have debt that's gone into collections. Most stay in the shadows about their money problems, not Richard Lewis.
It's something that's hard to defend yourself against. You really need to know what you're doing.
Lewis was taken to court for an outstanding debt on an old credit card. He's been out of work, so he didn't hire a lawyer.
Wish I had done that.
Richard, hey, Theodore, nice to meet you.
You too.
Today, we introduced him to attorney Andrew Hart to dissect his case. Hart started with what Lewis did right. First off, he never ignored the summons. That would have been an automatic judgment against him. Second, he asked for proof.
If you're in court and a debt collector says that you owe them money, your first question should always be, where's the evidence? Where's the proof that this debt is mine, that this amount is correct, that I actually owe this money to this company?
While it wasn't the case for Lewis, many times collection companies don't have real proof. Often they buy debt in bulk for pennies on the dollar and never get proper documentation.
A lawyer can help you figure out if there are holes in those documents. And then there's mediation. Even before the case went before a judge, Hart says Lewis could have exercised his right to settle for less.
I missed a mediation, and by the time I found out about it, there wasn't anything that could be done about it.
He lost his case, but in some ways is coming to your defense by sharing what could have helped turn it around. In Spartanburg, Diane Lee, 7 on Your Side.
If you can't afford a lawyer, you may consider at least meeting with one for a consultation to discuss your case. An hour-long meeting would be $50 or less through the program run by the South Carolina Bar Association. We have a link for you on WSBA.com.